둘.
야, 걔 마야. 엄청 배.
에이. Đúng lên. Pinung bol ha.
Company number 14, number 1 platoon commanded by Elangban Somangoshi, son of Sri Elangban Surmangol Singh and Srimati Sapam.
뒤라.
The parade commander is marching towards the saluting base to report and invite the Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, to inspect the parade. The Manipur Police Training College Pangai was established on 2nd January 1967 as a police training center. The training center was upgraded to the status of a training school on 22nd October 1972 and the officer in charge designated as principal Manipur Police Training School, which was again redesignated director MPTS on 5th January 2005. The Manipur Police Training School has subsequently been upgraded to the status of a college on 23rd.
जिन्हें मेरे ऊपर नियुक्त किया जाएगा सबकी आज्ञाओं का पालन करूंगा। मुझे जमीन, समुद्र अथवा वायु के रास्ते जहां कहीं भी भेजा जाएगा, मैं खुशी से जाऊंगा।
Today's parade is commanded by S.N. Darmin Lamkang, son of Sri S.N. Sunil and Srimati T.S. Kinok of Charam Singh Kuno, Sandil district, posted at Fort India Reserve Battalion.
The two pilots of today's parade are Islam Diamond Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's parade is commanded by S.N. Darnung Lamkang, son of Sri S.N. Sunil and Srimati S. Kunok of Charam Singh Kuno, Sandil district, posted at Fort India Reserve Battalion. The first company giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Paulun Kipken of Sandil district, number 2 platoon commanded by Yunang Robinson Singh of Tamenang district, number 3 platoon commanded by Henry Baidi of Churchampu district.
Company number 2 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Lashram Joinder Singh of Imphal East District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Nasapam Robert Singh of Imphal West District. Number 3 platoon commanded by T.M. Ayazuddin of Chandel District.
Company number 3 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Ningthozam Pritamjit Singh of 8th India Reserve Commando Battalion, number 2 platoon commanded by Bonthozam Iran Maitei of Imphal West District, number 3 platoon commanded by M.D. Samad Ali of Krishnapur District.
Company number 4 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Ningthozam Johnson Singh of Imphal West District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kongbai Latpam Dinesh Chandra Sharma of Imphal East District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Deepu Wayanbam of Imphal West District.
Company number 5 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Lashram Ajit Singh of Bishnupur District, Number 2 platoon commanded by Nongthomba Warjit Singh of Ukhrul District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Person Tongsin Anal of Imphal West District.
Number 6 company is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Fizam Chintu Meitei of Imphal West District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Tunazum Sanajawu Singh of Imphal West District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Besi Maneko of Vigilance.
Company number 7 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Akoijam Benki Singh of CID Crime Branch. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kaisam Jotin Singh of Imphal East District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Kaisam Piyojit Singh of Senapati District.
Company number 8 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Youngland Vishwajit Singh of 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kumarjit Nepram of 7th India Reserve Battalion. Number 3 platoon commanded by Akoizam Malyanwanda Singh of 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles.
Company number 9 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Takhelambam Susil Singh of 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles. Number 2 platoon commanded by Thoksom Surchandra Meitei of 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles. Number 3 platoon commanded by Hongmilan Lufeng of 7th India Reserve Battalion.
Company number 10 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Lawendam Vishwajit Singh of 5th Battalion Manipur Rifles. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kundongbam Kunendra Singh of 6th India Reserve Battalion. Number 3 platoon commanded by MD Nazir Shah of 4th India Reserve Battalion.
Company number 11 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Phamtong Dineshwar Singh of 1st India Reserve Battalion. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kangmei Kapui of Bisupur District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Maisnam Sanatoma Singh of 5th India Reserve Battalion.
Number 12 company is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Okram Arju Singh of Bishnupur District. Number 2 platoon commanded by THD Takban Chiru of Imphal West District. And number 3 platoon commanded by Langam Lunkahau Kongsai of Senapati District.
Company number 13 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by MD Tariq Aziz Makak Mayum of Imphal West District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Ngangong Pwede Number Singh of Tamenglong District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Manik Thapa of Ukhrul District Police.
Company number 14 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Elangmam Samangau Singh of Tamenglong District Police. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kumujam Ishwar Chandra Singh of Ukhrul District. Number 3 platoon commanded by L. Kuntin Thang of Ukhrul District.
Company number 15 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Thonawsum Hansam Singh of Tamenglong District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Gangkhom Lung Golmei of 8th India Reserve Commando Battalion. Number 3 platoon commanded by Sung So Lunghar of Ukhrul District.
Company number 16 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Maidam Sunil Singh of Senapati District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Hidamlayam Ganeshwar Sharma of Senapati District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Lungjam Anand Kumar Singh of Bishnupur District.
Company number 17 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Moirangthem Vishal Singh of Tamenglong District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Wangkem Kamikumar Singh of Ukhrul District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Bukrambam Kioni Singh of Bishnupur District.
Company number 18 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Oinam Dia Singh of Imphal East District. Number 2 platoon commanded by Segolen Kipgen of Bishnupur District. Number 3 platoon commanded by Konsam Ravindra Singh of Bishnupur District.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's spirit is commanded by S.N. Danum Lamkam, son of Sri S.N. Sunil and Srimati T.S. Kino of Sarang Singh Kunau Chandel district, posted at Fort India Reserve Battalion. The first company giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Paulun Kipken, number 2 platoon commanded by Yunam Robinson Singh, and number 3 platoon commanded by Henry Paite.
Number 2 company giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by
Number 5
Lashram
giving
Jai
salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Lashram Ajit Singh, number 2 platoon commanded by Nongthomam Warjit Singh, number 3 platoon commanded by Person Tongsin Anal.
Company number 6 is giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Prism Chintu Maite. Number 2 platoon commanded by Tamauzam Sanajaba Singh. Number 3 platoon commanded by Desi Maniko.
Company number 7 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Akoizam Tenki Singh, number 2 platoon commanded by Kaisam Jojin Singh, number 3 platoon commanded by Kaisam Piyojit Singh.
Company number 8 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Yanglan Bishojit Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kumarjit Nepal. Number 3 platoon commanded by Akoizam Malengan Singh.
Company number 9 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Takhelapam Susan Singh, number 2 platoon commanded by Thoksom Susandra Maite, number 3 platoon commanded by Hong Milen Lufeng.
Company number 10 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Larundan Bishojit Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kumbongbam Gunendra Singh. Number 3 platoon commanded by M.B. Nazir Shah.
Company number 11 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Thamdong Dineshwar Singh, number 2 platoon commanded by Kame Bogangmain Kabui, number 3 platoon commanded by Maisnam Sanatoma Singh.
Company number 12 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Okram Arju Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by TXT Takuban Chiru. Number 3 platoon commanded by Langam Lungkau Khonsai.
Company number 13 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by MD Tariq Aziz Makang Mayung, number 2 platoon commanded by Nangom Pwele number 6, number 3 platoon commanded by Manikapa.
Company number 14 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Elangban Shamangaw Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Kumuzam Ishwar Chandra Singh. Number 3 platoon commanded by L. Kuntin Hang.
Company number 15 giving salute, number 1 platoon commanded by Thongangsam Handsome Singh, number 2 platoon commanded by Gaikondong Gonmei, number 3 platoon commanded by Sumiso Lunghar.
Company number 16 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Maitam Sunil Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Hidang Mayun Ganeshwar Sharma. Number 3 platoon commanded by Longjam Anand Kumar Singh.
Company number 17 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Moirangkem Vishal Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Wangkem Kami Kumar Singh. Number 3 platoon commanded by Bukramam Kyoni Singh.
Company number 18 giving salute. Number 1 platoon commanded by Oinam Dia Singh. Number 2 platoon commanded by Segurlen Kipken. Number 3 platoon commanded by Koinsam Ravindra Singh.
To give good physical training to these recruits, and our outdoor instructors drew up
the respected Chief Secretary of the State Government, DGP, DGP Jail, Senior Government PCC, and the passing out parade to Yauriba for still
từ từ cao em lạ đâm nhau từ ngồi bao nhiêu ra
Trời.
Cái lâu xô kê về trôn.
Jenny,